Respected Rashtrapati Ji, Shri Pranab Mukherjee Sahab, Honorable Union Minister of Agriculture and Food Processing Industries, Shri Sharad Pawar Sahab, Honorable Union Minister of Environment and Forests, Dr. M. Veerappa Moily Ji, Honorable Chief Minister of Bihar, Shri Nitish Kumar Ji, Honorable Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan Ji, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Shri O. Ibobi Singh Ji, Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Dr. Mukul Sangma Ji, Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Shri Naveen Patnaik Ji, Honorable Minister for Coconut Development and Janata Estate Development, Sri Lanka, Mr. A.P. Jagat Pushpakumara, Esteemed Secretary, Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India, Shri Ashish Bahuguna, Esteemed Director General of the World Agroforestry Center, Dr. Anthony J. Simons, my colleague Deputy Director General, Dr. A.K. Sikka at the ICAR Headquarters, Honorable Ministers of Agriculture from different states, Honorable Members of Parliament, distinguished delegates to the World Congress on Agroforestry 2014, scientists from different organizations, farmer friends, Adaraniya Kisan Bhaiyo Behno, awardee students, representatives of the press and media, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning and welcome to the 3rd World Congress on Agroforestry being organized in India for the first time and presentation of the Krishi Karman Awards of the Government of India. This is a congruence of global thinking and local action and a true sense, a saga of innovations and partnerships in agriculture. On behalf of the World Congress and the Indian farming community, I present a hearty welcome to respected Rashtrapati Ji, Shri Pranab Mukherjee Sahab, and thank you, sir, for kindly gracing this program. Welcome to the Honorable Union Ministers, Shri Sharad Pawar Sahab and Dr. Veerappa Moily Ji, Honorable Chief Ministers, Honorable Ministers of Agriculture and Farmers from different states, dignitaries, delegates to the World Congress on Agroforestry from all over the world, farmers from different states for the Krishi Karman Awards. Agroforestry has been recognized as a key land use option for providing livelihoods, watershed protection, biodiversity conservation, as also environmental services, particularly under the changing climate scenario, as also carbon sequestration. In the context of increasing need for diversification and value addition, agroforestry, with its multifaceted attributes, is gaining importance, adding new dimensions to the farming sector all over the world. With the theme Tree for Life, this Congress brings together over 1,000 researchers, farmers, and policymakers from as many as 80 countries for sharing experiences, expertise, approaches, and vision on agroforestry for food, feed, fodder, fiber, and fuel. The World Congress on Agroforestry, sir, being organized by the Indian Council of Agricultural Research and the World Agroforestry Center, Kenya, along with other stakeholders, aims to steer the public thinking from plunder nature towards coexistence with nature. This Congress is a milestone event and a momentous occasion for this country as the new National Agroforestry Policy of the Government of India would be unveiled today. The Agroforestry Congress is further being graced by the National Krishi Karman Awards of the Government of India, recognizing excellence and records in productivity and production of various crops across the country. We are so very happy that the delegates from all over the world are witness to this great occasion. I deem it my honor and privilege to accord a warm welcome to all of you. Thank you very much.